Once upon a time, in a beautiful jungle, lived a little bluebird named Mimi. One day, she found a very special big red berry. It looked so yummy. But just then, Mimi saw a little rabbit who looked very hungry. She had an idea. She flew down and shared her berry. The rabbit was so happy and thanked Mimi with a big smile. Suddenly, they heard a little sigh. A squirrel was sad because he had no nuts left for a snack. Mimi and the rabbit wanted to help. They shared the last of their berry with their new friend. Mimi felt happier than ever. She learned that sharing with friends makes the smallest things taste the sweetest.